Hi, my name is Kayla Gordon, and today I will be talking about the Haitian culture and how us as nurses need to change our actions to make them feel more comfortable. First, we're going to start with the location of Haiti. Haiti is part of the island of Hispaniola, which is divided by Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Haiti is on the western side of the island. Haiti is also located in between the Caribbean Sea and the North Atlantic Ocean. Haiti has two official languages. The first is French, which is used in government offices and business settings. The other is the Haitian Creole, which is more used in daily conversations. For family roles in organizations, adult children are often expected to stay with their parents until they get married, and sometimes even after marriage because they're not ready financially, and sometimes the parents aren't ready financially for them to leave either. Single mother households are very common in Haiti due to men having many children with many different women. It's often seen in Haiti that the grandparents will step in as the parents if the parents seem to be unfit. For biological skin features and physical characteristics, Haitians are descendants of African slaves from around the 16th century. Haitians very much pay great attention to their appearance. They like to wear bright colors, and sometimes they wear headdresses that match their bright colored outfits. Often you'll see in Haiti that they follow a lot of the American trends as well. They like to stay very much in style. Common diseases that are in Haiti include malaria, typhoid, tuberculosis, and HIV/AIDS. This is because after the earthquake in 2010, a lot of the buildings were destroyed and many of the families had to move in together. And so those tight spaces, a lot of the diseases started spreading a lot quicker and it just became more prevalent. For nutrition in Haiti, one of the main things that they eat is rice and beans. They eat it generally with every meal, and then when it's affordable, they also eat meats and vegetables. Spicy food is very popular there. They like to spice many of their meats with it. The different kind of meats that they use are chicken and pork. The different ones are goat and guinea pig, and also seafoods and things of that nature. For pregnancy and childbearing practices, the women there don't let people know that they're pregnant until they actually start showing. They believe that it's bad luck for their baby. Most births do not happen inside of a hospital or with any medical assistance. They like to do it under their own terms. Often the maternal grandmother is the primary caregiver for the mother and the baby right after birth. The husband doesn't really do that part, but he is the decision maker for the name of the child. For death rituals in Haiti, they are much like the American rituals. They do wear black and dark colors at the funerals. They do bury them in the cemeteries. Usually a lot of their headstones are a lot more colorful than the ones in America though. And a common ritual is for them to offer what is called clairin, which is an alcoholic beverage that they make from a cane. And they offer it by pouring it on the ground for their ancestors. The spirituality in Haiti, the most common religion there is Catholicism, but also the very interesting one is called Voodoo. Voodoo has been believed that the spirits and curses can cause illnesses and things of that nature. There are individuals within the Voodoo practice that are more like healers. They know a lot of things about like the plants and herbs, and they know how to use those for medicinal purposes. But at the end of the day, most Haitians believe that God is the ultimate decision maker for life and death situations. High-risk health behaviors for Haiti. A lot of Haitians have a metabolic syndrome. They are generally overweight compared to most people. I wouldn't say they're overweight, but they think that their body weight is normal and not overweight when, according to standards, it would be considered overweight. And according to health behaviors, illnesses can be brought on by the evil spirits of the voodoo practice. Healthcare beliefs and practices. Haitians believe that illnesses can be caused by natural or supernatural causes. It kind of goes along with the voodoo practice as well. Natural causes can be foods, imbalance of cold and hot, bone displacement, things like that. Supernaturals are vexed by cursed, angry spirits or jealous spirits, things of that nature. Haitians' attitude towards healthcare practitioners are not wonderful. They generally don't go see their primary care doctors. They don't go to annual checkups. It's generally not available for them. And they generally do not like to see U.S. healthcare providers because there was a huge rumor that doctors were blaming them for the spread of tuberculosis and HIV/AIDS in America, which has now been proven very untrue. So for nursing implications, Haitians represent one of the fastest growing Caribbean immigrant populations, and the population of persons in Haitian ancestry has more than tripled since 1990. We also want to be very culturally sensitive with Haitians. They do prefer verbal communication rather than written. They understand it more that way. The best ways to promote health for Haitians is to emphasize self-efficacy, respect their cultural heritage, and teach prevention more than how to treat, because they don't go see their annual doctors like we were talking about, so they do need to learn how to prevent these illnesses from happening in the first place. For ethical considerations, the question is, what should healthcare professionals do when a patient believes the evil spirits of the voodoo practices is causing their illness? What we can do mostly is just verbally educate Haitians on the disease processes, the management and the prevention on what their disease actually is, and then also fully allow cultural treatments to be part of their plan of care. That way they do feel included. And that is the end of this presentation. Thank you.